Ditch the typing and level up your teamwork. First, you'll need to download the necessary mod Simple Voice Chat. Head over to a website like CursorForge, the most popular mod platform. Search for Simple Voice Chat or just Voice Chat. Now find the mod for your specific Minecraft version. Make sure the latest version selected matches your Minecraft game version. Click download, wait for it to download to your computer. Now, open your Minecraft launcher. Click on the Installations tab at the top. You'll need a Minecraft version that supports Forge. If you don't have a Forge installation, go to New Installation. Select the Minecraft version you require from the drop-down menu. Look for the Forge version associated with the mod. Click Create. Before launching Minecraft, you need to add the mod. Highlight your new Forge installation. Click the folder icon next to play. This will open your Minecraft folder. Double-click on the mods folder. If the mods folder doesn't exist, create one. Drag the downloaded Simple Voice Chat jar file from your Downloads folder into the mods folder. Launch Minecraft using the Forge installation you created earlier. Once you join a server that also has the mod installed, you should see a speaker icon. Go to the settings and then voice chat settings. To configure the microphone and volume, tweak these settings for the best voice communication experience. Test it out, talk to your fellow players, and enjoy the benefits of quick and easy communication. Now you are ready to dominate your Minecraft multiplayer experience.